In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Charles Schwab 1099 into TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is sign into your TurboTax account, and after that, you want to go to Tax Home here on the left, and you want to go into Wages and Income. Now, to be able to access this, you will need to first fill in your personal info. So click on the personal info, click on Start, Continue, or whatever it says over here, and then fill it in. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to come to Wages and Income, and you want to click on that, and then click either Start, Continue, pick up where you left off, or whatever it says over here. So click on this blue button, and it will take you to this site over here where you can see your income. And what we're going to look for over here is this part which says investments and savings, and then a bunch of different 1099 forms over here. And what you want to do is press start in case you haven't done it already. So you're going to have to click start. The button will be just like this one, but if you can't see this, which you usually should, you can see it down here at the bottom. You can search for it and it will be over here. You can click on it and then start it. Now, after you've done this, of course, as I said, you want to click Start or Add/Edit, whichever you have. And after you're in here, it says, did you have investment income in 2024? So we're assuming you're going to click Yes down here. If you did, you want to click Yes. And then it will ask you like one or two more questions. Just answer to those. And after you do, you can then import your tax info. And as you can see, over here, we've got Charles Schwab listed at the top. If it doesn't say Charles Schwab anywhere over here, you can search for it by name, just type in Charles Schwab, and it will pop up. From here, click on Charles Schwab, and then you want to click Get My Form, and a pop-up window will open up, which will ask you to log in with your Charles Schwab login ID and the password. So just put in your login credentials over here to Charles Schwab. So essentially, just put in your ID and password and press login, and it will log into Charles Schwab, and then it will guide you all the way through it to basically allow you to get your form, and then you can import it into TurboTax over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.